So, I'm leaving. Well, actually, that footage was taken around 2 months ago at my previous apartment, at my previous setup. If you've noticed over the last couple videos, I've either only done vlogs or I haven't really been at my main setup, which means I haven't really done any type of tech review over the last couple months. And I'll get to why in a minute, but first, we need to fix this disaster of a setup and plug in the PC. Let's go. Wait, what's this activate Windows doing here? You can easily get rid of this watermark and it won't cost you as much as you think. Head over to the Keysfan website and you'll see that it's very inexpensive to buy a Windows key. And what's even better is that right now you can add this Windows 10 Professional key to your cart, and at checkout you can use the coupon CT50 for a 50% off. So get rid of that awful watermark, check the description out for the coupon, and a 50% off on your next Windows key. And it's done. It did take a bit longer than I expected it to, and it also came with a few issues. First, my second monitor. I changed layouts a bit, which means I don't really have a cable long enough to go all the way from the monitor to the PC. This isn't really that bad, as I've always wanted to change that monitor since it's a bit old, so I'll probably do that in the future. Or I'll just cave and buy a longer cable. It's one of the two. Then there's cable management. As I'm hoping this is a temporary space, I'm not really gonna dig into the whole process of doing cable management as I like to, but I do like to keep my space tidy, so I did a little bit of that. No cable is seen from below or above, and nothing's hindering me when I work or I use the space completely. Then there's the tech board. I can't really hang it on a wall if I'm going to be leaving in a month or two. I use the tech board quite a bit to charge all my electronics, as well as to hold it as storage or just keeping it around for the lighting in the background. So I do have to keep it up somewhere, and it's on top of that hideous thing. You'll also be pretty surprised to see that my old MacBook and two keyboards are holding up my desk. You see, during the move, the desk or the desk leg was ruined. So this is the only way I can get it to not wobble and still be able to use it. This sucks, but I've been meaning to change desks to a sit stand one, so this just pushes me more towards it. I'll either get a new desk or I'll get one of those IKEA drawers and change the leg altogether. Oh, and the internet sucks a lot, but not everything is terrible. About a month ago, we hit 1,000 subscribers on the channel, which means that all the hard work I put over the past year finally paid off, and I'm making a little bit of money off of every video that I post. But don't think for a second that I'm not using every single cent of revenue that I get to throw it back into the channel to show you guys something that's cool or something that you might enjoy. Thank you so much to everyone that's hit the subscribe button, as well as turned on notifications and supporting me as a content creator, which is why we'll be doing a giveaway at the end of this video as a form of celebration for the 1K subs. Which brings us to this issue. Now, don't get me wrong, this is a great problem to have. You see, lately, many companies have been sending products out to me to review and sending sponsors as well, but I don't really have a place to store them, and selling them is just a hassle. I've been sent webcams, microphones, keyboards, interfaces, and a few other things that I've yet to review. I just want to be transparent with you guys on where I got this and to show you that I couldn't have done this without you. So comment down below something like, let's get 2022, and you'll enter the giveaway. Also, follow me on Twitter, which is my favorite social media platform right now, as well as TikTok and Instagram, which I'll be pushing a bit harder this year. Now, here's the truth. The reason why I've been quote unquote homeless for the past couple months, and honestly, I just haven't found a decent space to live in. With me being able to focus a bit more on this YouTube channel, as well as trying to make the best YouTube videos that I can, I've been a bit picky with all the apartments that I've seen. I want to make a great studio not only for my gaming setup, but also a space where I can edit with my Mac and a 4K monitor, as well as this mouse that my girlfriend got me a week ago for my birthday, which means I now not only have 1 or 2, but 3 mice, which is completely overboard. Along with that, I also want a space where I can do product shots and B-roll in general, which means I really need to find a great thing. I really believe that this decision will not only help me push out more videos, but to make better content in general, which is something that I'm really hoping for. We've left the place where I started this channel, as well as built it from the ground up, but it's far from over. So click on the bell icon, as well as subscribe, because I have a stack of products that I have to review, and there's some really cool things coming up. Remember to enter the giveaway, choose what your favorite item is, and let me know what you'd like to see in the future. But for now, remember that a like and a sub go a long way. I'm gonna go buy a new camera. See ya. Also, the new MacBook is amazing.